Top 3 Portable Keyboard Piano. USB MIDI connectivity. Built-in carry handle. Chord and a play app integration. Dance music mode. 400 tones, 77 rhythms, 60 songs. LCD display. Included accessories, power supply and music rest. The keys are the same size as a real piano, providing learning of the correct finger spacing and the scale of the instrument. 600 timbre/400 rhythm/30 demo songs/61 percussion/microphone GIF/recording and playback help the kids compose and rehearse their own original songs. It is made of environmental protection rosin, safe and very suitable for children, fine workmanship and soft edge design. Children will not feel harmed when playing. Top 2. USB MIDI connectivity. Built-in carry handle. Chord and a play app integration. Dance music mode. 400 tones, 77 rhythms, 60 songs. LCD display. Included accessories, power supply and music rest. Top 1. Feature-packed digital piano for beginners. Portable electric keyboard piano with 61 premium piano-style keys, and built-in speakers for practicing and performing to your friends and family. Premium electric piano keyboard sounds, 300 voices, including acoustic piano, electric piano, strings, organ, synth, drums and much more. Intuitive layer and split modes to develop your keyboard skills. Everything you need includes an easy-to-assemble stand, a bench with 3 adjustable height settings, headphones, a music rest, a power adapter and a microphone for singing along while you play. Check the description below on where to buy it.